Alright, welcome back to Solving Indices once again. Today we have a question and we are given that 2 to the power of x is equals to 5 and 2 to the power of y equals to 9. Let's find 2 to the power of 2y minus 3x plus 1. So, in this question we are required to, let's take a look at this. Okay, 2 to the power of 2y minus 3x plus 1. We have to break it down such that we can substitute 2x, which is equals to 5, and 2y. Okay? Now, let's look at the law of indices right over here. What do you think we can use to separate? Okay? So if we look at law 1, a to the power of m times a to the power of n will give me a to the power of m plus n. Given that in this question here, they say all of this has the same base, right? Which is 2. So in our scenario here, 2 is a. Okay? Now, am times an equals to a plus n. Can we apply that to the question here? So let's do it. We can split them up, right? With this law here, law number 1. So let's look at the first one. 2 to the power of 2y, right? Okay. Times. So times means plus, right? So same thing, still the same base, minus 3x. And lastly, times again. Okay, you will get 2 to the power of 1. Okay, I can take the power of y, 2 to the power of y, right? So, okay, 2 to the power of x, 2 to the power of y. That is what we're trying to substitute inside, right? We're trying to get what the question is asking us for. Okay? So back to normal color. Okay, 2 to the power of x, to the power of negative 3. And this is with accordance to which law over here? Law 3, right? Can you see that? Right? So that's what I'm basically doing here. Alright, if I were to break this down even more to you, 2 to the power of 2y is just 2 to the power of 2 times y, right? And 2 to the power of negative 3x is negative 3 times x. Okay? And obviously, we can just end off 2 to the power of 1 is just 2. Okay? So now I can substitute, right? So 2y initially equals to 9. 9 squared times 2x, 5 to the power of negative 3 times 2. And what will my answer be? If you plug this into your calculator, let's do it together, okay? So 9 squared times 5 power of negative 3 times 2 equals to 1.296. Okay, 1.296, and that's our final answer.